Greetings everyone. I welcome you all in Module 2 of the lesson Air and Water. In this module, we will learn about how to distinguish between soluble and insoluble impurities, methods by which impurities can be removed from water, the process of water purification. Water. Water is the most important liquid on earth. All plants and animals need water to live. Our body needs water to function properly. Besides, we use water for many activities such as drinking, cooking, washing, and irrigating farms. The power of flowing water is used to produce electricity. Water covers about 75% of the Earth's surface in the form of ocean, river, and lakes. However, very little of this water is fit for use. Rivers, lakes, wells, underground reservoirs, and rainwater are major sources of water that we can use. However, the water drawn from these sources may not be in its purest form. Many substances get mixed in water and make it impure. Such substances that make water impure are called impurities. To make water fit for human use, the impurities in it need to be removed. There are two types of impurities found in water: soluble impurities and insoluble impurities. Removing insoluble impurities. Insoluble impurities can be removed by following methods. Sedimentation. In this method, water with insoluble impurities is left to stand for some time. The insoluble impurities settle down at the bottom. This process of settling down of impurities is called sedimentation. After sedimentation, we can see a layer of clear water on top. This clear water is slowly poured into separate container without disturbing the settled impurities. This process of carefully pouring out the clear water from the top into another container is called decantation. Filtration. In this method, the water with impurities is passed through a filter paper. The filter paper works like the sieve that is used to strain tea leaves from the tea. The insoluble impurities are left behind on the filter paper. Removing soluble impurities. Soluble impurities are separated by the methods of evaporation and distillation. Evaporation. It is the process of changing of water into water vapor. When water evaporates, it leaves all the dissolved impurities behind. This method can be used to get back the solid substances dissolved in water. Distillation. The process of changing an impure liquid into its vapor and then condensing the vapor to obtain pure liquid is called distillation. The water so obtained is called distilled water. Journey of water to our homes. Supplying clean water to our homes is the responsibility of a government agency. Before supplying water to our homes, the agency is supposed to clean water and make it fit for human consumption. This is done in a water treatment plant where water is passed through various stages like sedimentation, filtration, chlorination, and storage. While the clean water passes through the pipes, it may again get contaminated. To make sure the water is germ free, we can boil it or use water filters to kill the germs. Thank you, dear students.